everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your wallet's name on Trust Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch Open Trust Wallet application from your app drawer. Once you launch it open, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left corner. From the settings menu, tap on Wallets and all of the wallets that you've added will be displayed. Select the wallet you'd like to change your name on and tap on the three dots right next to it. In the Name tab, go ahead and erase your current name and give a name to your wallet. After you've entered the desired name, tap Save at the top right. And that should be able to change your wallet's name on Trust Wallet within a few minutes. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.